I'm here today to make the sacred jollof rice. Yep, I am making jollof rice. And the thing is, I can actually make jollof rice. It's not actually new to me. If you don't know, I'm a Nigerian babe. But I haven't made it in a long time. And I don't know why. There's no real reason why, but I haven't made it in like literally years. It's been years since I've actually made jollof rice. I eat it quite often. I've been craving jollof rice a lot, so I've been eating that a lot. And I've been racking up bills buying jollof rice. Like one plate of jollof rice. And then one day I decided to look at my Uber Eats and my bank statements, and it's just jollof rice. So I was like, you know what, you need to get yourself in the kitchen and make it yourself. Because to be fair, half of these people are not really killing it with jollof rice. So there's that. To become something, you need to be the thing. And to be the thing, you have to act like the thing. And to act like the thing, you have to dress like the thing. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna channel my inner chef. She's in there, but she needs to come out. Let's get into the jollof rice. I got fresh thyme. I've never made jollof rice with fresh thyme. We always use a dried one, but I decided I'm gonna use fresh one. And I've got rosemary. I've never put rosemary in jollof rice either, but I feel like I should try it. I have tomatoes puree, long grain rice. This is not a debate, it's not argument. We're not making jollof rice with basmati or jasmine rice. Don't do it. So I have long grain rice and I have avocado oil. Again, I've never used avocado oil to make jollof rice, but this is the oil I have in my house, so we're gonna work with it. So let's get into it. Woo! Okay guys, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a pot, make sure it's clean, and then you're gonna pour some oil in there. I'm so excited for jollof rice. It's been such a long time since I made and my jollof rice is honestly the best jollof rice you've ever. Is this not puree? It is. Let's just pour some in there. This is not puree, this is like, what the hell is this? This is not puree. Is puree supposed to be like liquidy like this? Like, why can't I pour it? It's supposed to be like thick. What the hell is going on here? Some rosemary sticks. Bear in mind, I wouldn't go ahead and put the rosemary sticks in there yet because I don't know if this is good or not. I'm just doing it because why not? In your dry time, you're gonna put it in there with it. Usually I'll be doing this on the stove, but because I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing it over here. I can't tell you how much to get. You better just gather this much. And you're gonna put it in there. Bay leaves. I didn't get fresh bay leaves, I just got using the regular dry ones. I would say about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leaves in there. And then you're gonna put it on your cooker and let it, like, you know, this thing, you get it, cook medium to high heat. Yeah. Also in the pot, you're supposed to dye some onions in there too. So I'm gonna dye some onions back here. Guys, I don't have that much faith in this jollof rice that I'm making, so if it doesn't come out right, I can make jollof rice, it's just not coming out right this time. But I actually can make jollof rice in real life, so just bear that in mind. I like my jollof rice with a little bit of spice to it, if you get me. So I'm gonna put 4 habaneros in there. You can get Scotch bonnet, you should definitely get those, but I can't find them here for some reason. Well, to be fair, I didn't really look that hard. But just cut your vegetables and all that into here. You see how bush I am? I'm not even using a chopping board, I need to. I'm gonna blend this a little bit because this is, you can't tell, this is a cheap blender and sometimes she needs a little help. Don't talk shit, she's getting there. She's getting there. Okay. Alright, girl. Okay, this is why I buy jollof rice. This is exactly why I go and buy the jollof rice, because this is stuff that happens. You know what, yeah, at my big age, I can actually go and buy another blender that works better, but for some reason I refuse to. I am not buying another blender. Another reason why I don't cook like that anymore, because I ain't got time to be standing here washing plates. This is already 1, 2, 3, 4 things already that I have to wash. I just don't know how y'all do it. Shout out to Mumsy and Dad. Now we're over here by this. I need you guys closer to see the action going on in here. I smell the flavors and the juices coming out. And put a light on so you can see. Can you see? Can you actually see what is going on and going down in this place? It's looking delicious already. It's looking tasty already. I'm also cooking chicken because, like, why not? And also you need chicken. Well, to be fair, you don't need just chicken stock, but the chicken stock is going to be useful for this dish over here. Yeah. I like to personally season the jollof rice paste at this point. Yeah, I know you haven't seen that before, but that's why I'm the best jollof rice person in the world. I mean the jollof rice chef. Yeah, so we're gonna get a little bit of no Jamaican curry, well, any curry, but I have Jamaican one. I'm gonna put both of them in there right now. This is before you add the thing you just blended. And as you can see, I'm being guided by the ancestors and how much I should put in there. Let me show you. It's just my ancestors guiding me. I can't tell you how much, just that much. Just a bit. Same with the curry. Let the ancestors guide you. Yeah. Come on. Simple things, you get it. Are you supposed to put curry in this actually? Do you actually put curry in jollof rice? Because now it smells funny. I could have actually gone on YouTube or TikTok and looked at jollof rice recipes. Why can I say this word? Recipes. But I just decided not to because I'm just that bitch. I just feel like no matter what I do, it's gonna be great. At this point, this is what you wanna go and do right now. You wanna go and wash your rice because that is the next big step into making things flow. Yeah, so this has been cooking for, I would say, a good 15-ish minutes. This is the right time to add her in. So let it cook out, because if you don't let it cook out, it's gonna have a funny taste to it. That smells a bit funny. So you just wanna simply, let me show you closely, pour. Oh. Wait, why is it bitsy like that? Wait. Why is it bitsy like that? It's supposed to be smooth. I think I need to blend it a little bit more. I'm gonna go and blend it a little bit more, then come back. It should be fine now. Let's try it. Yay! This is how it's supposed to look. I don't know how it's supposed to look anymore. But no, it looks good actually. What am I talking about? It looks delicious. This is what she looks like. I'm stirring this bitch up. Yeah. Yeah. Delicious. Come on. Yeah. You see all the flavors in there. Cover this up. Put it on a highish heat. You see I put it on like 7 and let her cook. You're gonna leave that on for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, you need to go and wash your rice. This is your time to wash your rice clean. If you don't wash your rice thoroughly, it's gonna have, what's it called? It's gonna be thick, like the rice is gonna be mushy. So this is where you get the like single granulars. This is where you get the single granulars of rice. This is the trick, washing your motherfucking rice. And if you don't wash your rice anyway, you're supposed to wash your rice clearly. But anyways, I'm gonna go wash the rice and we'll be back in a minute. Leave this on for 20 minutes, don't touch it. Actually, if it's burning, touch it, but try not to touch it. 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how good your cooker is. But I've washed my rice. I have about this much rice. This is too much though. Like I don't know why I'm cooking this much jollof rice, but I don't know how to cook a small pot of jollof rice, but I'm cooking this much rice, so yeah. This has literally cutting the blood to my brain. Oh my gosh. Ah! I need to add the rice to that somehow. I just feel like I'm gonna really be burned if I open this. What is happening? Ah! Oh my god. Calm down. You need to calm down. This is exactly why sometimes it's better to just go and buy the fucking jollof rice, because at this fucking point, I'll be eating it. I've been attacked, I've been insulted. I just can't do it anymore. I just can't do it anymore. Okay, that's cool. Okay, yeah. See, it wasn't too hard, was it? It wasn't too hard at all. I put way too much rice, oh my god. Oh my god. This is way too much rice, so I have to take some of the rice out. Oh, I saved it. You want to make sure you like stir it all in. You know what my mum told me? That you shouldn't, is it my mum? Somebody, I don't know. That you shouldn't use, you have to use a wooden spoon to make jollof rice because it's not going to taste good. Apparently. That sounds kind of dumb actually now that I say it out loud. The rice is in there, don't put that much rice in it because it was too much. And remember the chicken stock I was telling you about earlier? Where you add everything. All this chicken water, I'm gonna pour it in here. Yeah. Now it looks like I might have yummy salty jollof rice. You put it on a low heat. Like, I put it on 3, like a really, really low heat. And you turn it, you stir it all in there. Make sure every single grain is covered by the blood of Jesus. Don't forget to add your chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, add a little more of this, just a little bit more. Sprinkler in there, you know, taste, you know, use your brain. Those two things come in handy while cooking. This looks like a shout. Make sure it's low, it's on 3. Can you see that it's on 3? There's nothing much to do with the jollof rice after this, other than put it on a really low heat, get foil paper, cover it up and leave it. You're gonna actually use steam to cook the jollof rice. That's what people don't realize. You put too much water and too much liquid in it, and you're gonna use the steam to cook it out. I feel like somebody's wife. Is this what wives feel like? Oh my god, I was so misogynistic. I can't believe I just said that. Do you see how this world is corrupting me? This thing right here is the go. Like, I feel like this changes the flavor of your food and it gives it a really nice like smoky something. So I'm gonna add a little bit to it. But I've never really tried it in jollof rice. I just feel like I have to try it today. Make sure every grain is drenched in the sauce. Like, there's not supposed to be no white bits, everything is drenched. Get a piece of foil over it. Make sure there's no air in there. Leave that for about, I would leave this here for about a good 20 to 30 minutes. I'll see you in 20. It's been about 15 minutes-ish and I feel like it's time to open up the jollof rice and to give it a stir. You see all that steam? That's what's cooking the rice. You don't need water. All you need is steam. So you're gonna give it a stir. You know, it's not, you can see that it's still got a bit of water in it. So here, this is where you really turn the rice down. Turn it low. Put it on a low heat. Cover it up. Do not open this for 20 minutes. Do not open this for at least 20 minutes. And maybe back in 20 minutes and hopefully it should be basically ready. Put it on a low heat again. I put it on low. We're back after those many minutes and I am hoping and praying that she came out right. But if it doesn't come out right, please don't blame me because it's been such a long time since I've made jollof rice. And it just feels like I'm the first time ever doing it. This signature smoky flavour in jollof rice. The best thing to do is, at this point, once we open it, you turn your cooker all the way up and let it cook for another like 3 minutes and let the smoke, you know, then you'll have the perfect smoky jollof rice flavour. Can you see? She's on low. Yes, I'll see you in about 20-ish minutes. I think she came out right. She smells good. See? You can take out all these sticks and shit. Take out the sticks. I think it looks good. Should we give it a try? Look at that. Can you see? Can you see this deliciousness? Let's give it a try. I think it's good. It tastes like there's no salt in it. Go ahead and add some butter. With the salt. I think we want it to be a bit more softer, so I'm going to leave it in there for another 5 minutes. Let it steam a little bit more, and then in 5 minutes we should be done. You got the jollof rice, you got the chicken, you got some homemade coleslaw. It's all in there. It's all in there, looking lovely. I'm gonna taste this and see if this hour and a half of cooking, 2 hours, was worth it. Also, don't put the rosemary, the fresh rosemary, in your rice. Don't do it, because you just have to spend a lot of time picking it all out anyways. So try it. That right there is it. Yeah? Delicious. Tastes like home. My foot is in it. Put my foot right in it. See these hands? It's magic. These are hands that can, you know, change the world. I took 2 hours to cook so I can eat 1 plate of jollof rice. It was worth every minute. That's it from me today. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on these videos, and I will see you back later another time. Yeah.